Inadequate OS investigation lead to FDA warning letter. Recently, the US FDA issued a warning letter on dated January 7, 2022 due to inadequate investigation into the out-of-specification test results. In May and June 21, the FDA inspected the drug manufacturing facility located at Orangeburg, New York. During that inspection, FDA investigator observed specific GMP violation. What are the legal backgrounds? According to the Code of Federal Regulations Section 211.192, the following applies. All drug product production and control record, including those for packing and labeling, shall be reviewed and approved by Quality Control Unit to determine compliance with all established approved written procedure before a batch is released or distributed. Any unexplained discrepancy, including a percentage of theoretical yield exceeding the maximum or minimum percentages established in master production and control record, or the failure of a batch or any of its component to meet any of its specifications, shall be thoroughly investigated whenever or not the batch has already been distributed. The investigation shall extend to other batches of the same drug product and other drug product that may have been associated with the specific failure or discrepancy. A written record of the investigation shall be made and shall include the conclusion and follow-up. The FDA considered the firm's OS investigation as inadequate for the following reason. The investigation were not performed in a timely manner. Root cause were not appropriately identified. The investigation were not expanded to all potentially affected batches. Corrective and preventive action was not implemented. The CAPA effectiveness was not evaluated. In the warning letter, different examples are mentioned. According to FDA, in all these examples, the quality unit concluded without adequate scientific justification that analytical error was the most probable root cause for the originating OS result. The company also failed to initiate a production review or CAPA at the conclusion of investigation, including a comprehensive evaluation of the product development, a manufacturing validation, a previous failing result obtained, and analytical test method. In response to warning letter, the FDA now expect the following: a comprehensive independent assessment of the overall system for investigating deviation, discrepancies, complaint, OS result, and failure. A revised OS procedure, a retrospective independent review of all invalidated OS, a summary of result from testing retained sample of all drug product batches within expiry.